I stopped the video. Alright, so as you can see, we've got our roll panel.
Hey, do you see the thing that measures?
Bro, it's a tape measure.
Where's that?
Look at the white car. Jesus. Struggle. America.
Hey, it's in the white car.
Well, open the door and get it. God. Try and make a video. Watch your mouth. So anyway, we've got the old piece back here. We got two new pieces. We got our 2x4s for our floor here and here. And in this beautiful cutoff wheel, because Ray doesn't know how to use it, that's all that was left. I had to cut his floor for him. For some reason, there's a dick. There's a dick. But, oh God. Get out of here. This is what he did yesterday. I'm making Ray do everything because it's his car. We got all our 2x4s put in for the bottom on this layer and this layer. And now... What?
The cutting table is unplugged.
Well, plug it in. Come on, struggle bus.
Fucking unpluggers.
We're trying to get some work done.
Vertically challenged.
Reach.
Who the fuck beat this?
Dude, all you gotta do is put it in the hole. Dude, it's not that hard. It's not that hard.
I can't wait to build my own shop.
All of you just come over and help me build mine.
It's dirty.
Well, of course the fucking garage is dirty. It's too small. Dude, that's not the line! God! Gave him one job.
Smoke cigarette.
You smoke cigarettes?
Smoke cigarette.
Ew. We gave him one job.
Smoke cigarette.
Your job is to smoke cigarettes?
Damn, I cut that 35.
Dude, I know you didn't cut that 35. You better cut that 40. Something's wrong with him.
Let's cut this fucker at 55 then.
All right. Everything off.
It's free.
No, we can't hit anything vital. Nothing vital. All vitals are free. I think we're free if we just cut straight across. Oh God. I'm not looking.
Oh God! Oh! Oh God!
Whoa! Whoa, buddy! Easy! Ray! They taught me this in race car class. Did they teach you this? Do what? We went race car racing. Weight reduction. Engaged. Excuse me, sir. There's a part of your car missing. Sir. Sir? Excuse me, sir. There's a lot of the car missing now. I don't know what happened. It just fell out. We didn't cut nothing special or nothing important, so everything's okay. We just gained. Woo! Hey! Hey, boy! You know what you're doing out there? Hey! Excuse me! Right, Keisha? Right, Keisha? What are you doing?
Hey, when you do this to turn it, do you pull it out?
No, you just turn it. If it don't turn, you turned it too far. Did you break my fucking table saw? Bruh. Do I need to come show you how to work it? No, you trying to turn it or tilt it? Goodness gracious. Oh, God. He's about to cut his leg off. Look at him struggle. Struggle, bitch. Hey, sir.
Yep.
Come look at this. He thinks I'm amazing. Because I am. Oh, God. Alright, guys. So, we've officially gained all the space. And I'll show you. What are you damming? This piece is... What do you mean? I gotta do everything for him. So this is all the space that we have. It's kind of hard to see, but I cut the majority of the rear deck out. This is the front section of our floor. We've got a lot of space here, guys. All right, guys, so we made a little progress here on day 2, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've accomplished on top of the video that you just watched of me and Ray acting goofballs. Let's see, let me get the camera flipped around. All right, so as you guys can see, I've got my bottom floor here in, got my step up, and my bottom floor on the back side, and then we've got the back piece coming up. You can see the little strip here across the top. That's so I have something to... a little more meat to mount to when I put my angle piece in for the back. We're going to have our wall come up here, step this way and this way. Excuse me, just had sheets. I left this piece open right here. I got a little door that fits over that. It's just an access panel so that I can get to my fuel pump when I need to. And that piece back there is double layered. Our little step piece here is double layered. I made these little C-shaped spacers right here because there's a little bitty hump right there that made it where this bottom piece wouldn't sit flush when I put the second panel on. So I made these little steps to space it up, and then I'm going to have another little piece that tops off of that, and then our back pieces will come this way. I left it this wide in the back so that I can access my rear strut towers back there. I do plan on getting newer coilovers for the car here in the short future, just because that one over there is busted and I just want a little bit more adjustability with them, because once all this weight's in the back, you know, the ass is going to sag. So I'll be able to raise it up and help with that a little bit. Let me go to the back side here. Who put the truck? Yeller. As you can see here in the back, our wall goes up. I ended up, as you've seen previously, I cut the rear deck out, which gave me about 8 or 9 more inches to come back this way, so that I can just achieve as much airspace inside the box as possible. Our foams, we got some foam here on the sides. That's all cured. I'm going to go back with a nice flat disc and trim that so that I can get my wood in here, where it's going to come this way, step down, and come up. And then I'm going to make a little cover filler panels for right there, just so I can take those off if need be to adjust or do what I got to do. I just want to be able to access all the core portions of the car at any point in time after this is done. So I'm trying to think ahead as much as possible. I've got the bright white tint coming for my Raptor liner over there. I've already put one light coat on here. It's actually clean. That's just dust from me grinding. I vacuum all that out. But once this is trimmed and the wood's in, I'm going to recoat it again with the Raptor liner, just so I can make it all nice and even and pretty, you know. Let's see. I'll go back around here for a second. Touch base on everything. The radio is wired in. The faceplate's not on. It's right there. But the radio is wired in. I'm waiting for RCAs, and then I can finish putting that in. I'm going to be pulling the door panels off here probably about 2 weeks. I'm going to give me time to work on all this back here a little bit, and then I'll start working on the door panels. I have one of these big monsters at the moment. I will be ordering another one, and then I have 4 other PRV 8s. This is the Alto series. The motors on these things are bigger than most people's subs, but these are the Alto 10W650As. We'll be running 2 of these and 4 of the 8s. We have 2 of the tweeters, 2 of these right here, the TW350 TIs. I know this isn't enough power for everything, but this will be one of the highs amps. I will be getting another one. I'll be putting the tweeters and figuring out all my wiring, but I will be purchasing either another one of those or a 2-channel. I might be running all the mids off that and the tweeters off of the 2-channel. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to be doing all the wiring and everything. I'm just trying to place everything I can inside the budget. Right now, with the way that I have everything figured out, I'll be just right on budget schedule as far as the price for everything. So yeah. I'm keeping everything in budget. I mean, I know everybody's probably like, holy fuck, how did he do this with only a $2,500 budget? I did a lot of searching and a lot of just looking to get the things that I have acquired to put into this build, and I have stayed inside the budget. I mean, all 4 10s, I drove 13 hours to get them, but I paid $400 for 6 10s. The amp, I traded a Sound Digital 8800 that I traded 3 15-inch ZVXs for. I only had $350 in the ZVXs, so realistically, I've only got $350 in the DC5K. I know it's a $1,500 amplifier, and no, I'm not lying. I have all the proof. There will be videos, there will be picture documentations proving everything that I've paid for inside this system. It just, you know, if you take your time and you look for the stuff, it's out there to be found. And, you know, it's just if you have the means and the opportunity to capitalize on it. A little fucking hair. What is that hair doing? Yeah. Anyway, it's just if you have the ability to capitalize on it when it comes across, and luckily I have when I have ran across the deals to actually get the stuff. So, I mean, with that being said, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, smash that thumbs up. I know those are the things that nobody likes to hear, but I'm telling you because you need to do it, because this shit's about to get wild. There's also the Tahoe build going on. I'll have an update video coming up of that here shortly as well. The guy that I'm building the Jeep for, he's ordered a bunch of more stuff. As soon as he gets everything in and brings it over to me, we'll do an update on the Jeep as well. And me and Ray, we are also working on another project that isn't car audio related. It's going to be something that we're going to dabble into another area of shit that we like to do. I think it's going to be awesome, but you don't want to miss it. I really don't want to give it away, but it has something to do with the sense of horsepower. Not like high horsepower, but something fun to spin some tires with. So if you're into like horsepower, into putting motor swaps and things that don't belong, that's another reason to smash that subscribe button, because that shit's going to start happening here too. We've been searching, and I think we found our little project that we're going to work on. We follow a lot of the people here on YouTube as far as like just anybody that does like motor stuff, car related stuff, street speed, dirty Max, Cletus, you know, Adam LZ or something like that, you know, Daily Driven Exotics. I follow a lot of people on YouTube. That's just to name a few that I can think of right off the top of my head. And it's wanting us to kind of venture off into something a little bit different. I mean, car audio is going to stay. It's here from the beginning. That's what I started my channel with. And, you know, that's going to stay. But I think we're going to start another project and do a little something different along with the audio. I mean, audio is not going anywhere because that's been my passion for like the last 15 plus years. So that's going to stay on the channel. But there's also something else coming to the channel. So if you're into just anything automotive, smash that button. I'm going to go ahead and quit the video there because I'm tired. I'm going to go in and try and edit this up so I can get it up in the morning. And I will holler at you guys in the next video. I'm out.